Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Spykar. In this video I'm going to compare the Adidas mobile game battery rating test side-by-side comparison between the iQOO 7 device versus iQOO 9 SE device. This exact question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asked me to compare side by side. So let's find out friends which phone will be draining what kind of battery percentage, and during this process I'll try to use the same Jio SIM card between these two smartphones. Exactly, same Jio SIM card. Right now I'll try to show you exactly the SIM card as well, and both phones are charged to exact 100% as well. Let me quickly open this Smart application to demonstrate what SIM card I'm trying to use. So both phones are trying to use exactly same Jio SIM card. As you can clearly see, Jio SIM card, and both phones are charged to exact 100% of the battery capacity as well. So both phones are completely charged 100%. So right now we're going to start exactly the battery draining test while playing the Adidas mobile game. So before that, I'll try to use the 50% brightness capacity during this process of testing. So let's use the Google now. Set brightness to 50%.
Setting brightness.
As you can clearly see friends, the brightness has been set to the 50% exactly right now between these both phones using the Google now. Okay Google, so it's kind of perfectly accurate data right now. And let's start the test, the Adidas mobile game, and let's disconnect the both cables and let's start the gameplay. So I'll try to connect both phones in the same lobby and I'll try to play continuously in the Sonic boot camp as well. And right now let me remove the cables and let's start the test. I'm going to be back after exactly 15 minutes and 30 minutes and 45 1 hour. In this way I'll try to show you each and every readings, what's happening between these both phones regarding the overall. And during this process I'll try to use with the 60 Hz, not game frame interpolation. I don't use, only I'll try to use the smooth and extreme settings. 60 FPS only, smooth and extreme settings, 4G data connection, 50% brightness. So let's get started without wasting any time. Right now, as you can see, it's been getting close to exactly 35 minutes of time as well. And now let me to show you exactly what is the battery percentage between these both phones and what are the temperatures as well between these two devices. Let me to go back exactly to the menu. And right now it's been 35 minutes exactly I'm trying to play. Let's go to the settings option and show you exactly what's going on with the battery. So during this process, I did not observe any kind of huge difference friends between these both phones. You can see 91% and 90%. iQOO 7 device and iQOO 9 SE device. Exactly. Very close, right? Very close, exact. I'm trying to use with a 4G data connection only during this process of demonstration. And regarding the temperatures, let's check out the temperatures, what's going on. 37 degrees Celsius in the iQOO 7 device and 37 degrees in the iQOO 9 SE device. So both are main. So I'm going to be back after 1 more hour friends. Let's see in the next 1 hour what happens with the overall battery draining test results. But till now it was completely kind of fine for me. Nothing much huge difference I have found out regarding the temperatures and regarding the battery draining as well. Overall during this process of demonstration. Same brightness I have been using between these both phones exactly. Same brightness. Nothing much huge difference as well. Again I'll be back after some time. So right now as you can see friends, exactly it's been 1 hour of time continuously playing between these both phones. So let's see how much the battery percentage got decreased during this process of demonstration between these two devices. So it's going to be really very interesting friends. And during this process continuously I did run continuously non-stop. I was running all itself and I'm not sure why the phone got stuck in the iQOO 9 SE device. It's kind of weird. As you can see, there might be some kind of software problem. I'm not sure what's going on. Still, let me go back. So right now 82% in this iQOO 7 device and 83% in this iQOO 9 SE device. I'll try to show you in the notification toggle. As you can see, 83%. No, I'm not sure what has happened. So 83% as you can see friends clearly. So there's been some issues, I guess. It's not working, not responding properly. I did lock the screen and I'm trying to open it again. No response from the game. I'm not sure what has happened at this moment exactly. No idea. I did not have this kind of issues before in this device. Just now it has happened. So I'm trying to unlock it and I'm trying to start again. Same thing. It's not working out. So let me restart the device in case if it repeats. So yes, let's try to restart and I'll try to continue the test friends, don't worry. So I'm not sure why it has happened in the iQOO 9 SE device like this. But all of the battery drain 82% and 83% after 1 hour of time. Exactly. So very close regarding the both phones or battery draining. Nothing much huge difference I did find out in my testing. same way the battery is draining between these both phones. And regarding the temperatures, also same thing, kind of close, nothing much huge difference. And my room temperature, you can see 30 degrees Celsius. So I'm trying to run continuously between these both phones non-stop. And finally it got unlocked, and now let's open the Pepe Jeans mobile game and I'll try to continue playing. Again, I'll be back after 1 hour and 30 minutes of time. Right now, as you can see, friends, we did reach kind of close to exactly time. You can clearly see here. Right now, kind of close to exact 1 hour and 30 minutes of time. We did reach. So let's see what will be the battery percentage, how much it got decreased between these both phones right now after this continuous running non-stop. Let me go to the settings and show you the exactly battery percentage. So I did try to use 50% brightness capacity only exactly, and battery dropped by 72 and 74. iQOO 9 SE and iQOO 7 device. Side by side comparison. This is iQOO 9 SE device. You can clearly see, friends, 74 and 72 is the battery comparison between these two phones. Let's open and let's continue the gameplay, friends. Again, I'll be back after 2 hours. Let's see in the 2 hours how much the battery will decrease between these both phones, which I'm trying to run continuously non-stop. Again, I'll be back after 2 more hours. Right now, as you can see, it's been getting close to 2 hours of time. 2 hours of, let me show you exactly what is the battery percentage right now, how much the both phones are. As you can clearly see, 64% and 64%, exactly same level. Nothing much huge difference, friends, between these both phones regarding the overall battery draining is completely similar. I thought the Snapdragon 888 processor may be draining slightly kind of more, but it's not the case. Both phones are able to maintain exactly same level of battery dropping during this processor demonstration. And regarding the heating problems, I did not observe any kind of much major heating problems at this moment. And both phones are able to maintain below 40 degrees Celsius exactly. So I will try to do a separate video using 90 FPS, maybe using the game frame interpolation. That might be another scenario, like using game frame interpolation, sometimes it can get high temperatures. So don't worry, if you want, I can definitely do another separate video in next upcoming videos. But right now, friends, these are the statistics between these both phones. What we can actually observe here. So this is, friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you want me to do any other comparison, let me know in the comment section below. So overall, the battery dropped for 2 hours. It came down to 60%. So in 2 hours of time and 40% decrease. So definitely, friends, the battery can come up to close to 5 hours of time. 5 to 6 hours of playback is completely possible between these both phones. So continuously, you may think that I could have done complete 0%, but right now the time is around kind of 10 o'clock. So it won't be possible like for me to do for the next 3 hours. I need to sleep, right? That's the reason. So I was ending this test trend. So overall in my testing, this is what I did find out, that you can actually get up to 5 to 6 hours of continuously the Pepe Jeans mobile game. You can actually play between these two phones. Same kind of battery backup I observed in my testing. Meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Until next time, for more updates, and bye.